Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today is a special day because Amazon Prime Day sale is going on, and I got this wonderful Fire HD Amazon tablet for 40 quid. That's 40 pounds, equivalent to 4,000 rupees. The good thing about this is 8 inch, is a good balance between 7 inch and 10 inch. It's 32 GB and it has got 3 GB of RAM, which means like if you can get 100 pound worth of tablets, 150 pound worth of tablets, and they're 2 GB RAM. This is 3 GB RAM, so it is expected to be relatively faster than them. So without any further delay, let's start unboxing it. Okay. So you see these arrows that's supposed to tear this up, right? Okay. Did that open it? Probably. As you're opening it, what comes out of it is the tablet itself in a black cover. I'm assuming this is the charger. Instruction manual. Welcome card. Important information. And last but not the least, the charger. Right? That's all you have in the box. So this charger, this tablet, as you can see, is pretty good size. It has got a 2 megapixel camera on the front and a 2 megapixel camera in the back. It does the job. If you want to do video calls and stuff, it's fine. It doesn't come with Android. It has come with its Amazon's own operating system, and it has got its own app store. So you won't get all the apps that you get in Android, but it has got a decent set of apps like Disney Plus, Netflix, Amazon Prime. All these things come by default. So if I start it, let me take all these things out of the way. It's taking its own sweet time. It's probably because it's the first time I have to set up Wi-Fi and stuff and log into my account. So this is how the setup happens. United Kingdom. That's where I am. Trying to connect to network. Trying to search for network. So it's connected to the Wi-Fi. Now it's asking me for my Amazon account password. Okay. Sign in. It's trying to register my Fire device to my Amazon account. It gives you the option to enable location services, or to save photos, videos, save a Wi-Fi password. Depends on you how you want to do it. Then it's an instruction video.
From watching movies and reading books. From watching movies and reading books.
So you can see how the video and the audio sounds on this device is pretty good. Let's go all the way to the end. Okay. Would you like to create a child profile? Not now. And that's it. It's giving me a few options and I don't want any of them. I don't want any recommendations, and these are all the apps that you can get. So you got Zoom, Skype, Twitter, all the important one. Pluralsight, that's the one I use quite a lot. And that's it. The tab comes with 74% of battery. It's supposed to last 24, sorry, my bad. It's supposed to last 12 hours on a full charge. It got Alexa inbuilt in it. I want to disable Alexa now. I'll enable it later. And this is how the screen looks like. This is the home page. You get books, videos, games and apps, directly takes you to shopping, music, Audible, newsstand. Cool. So guys, please do like my video and subscribe to my channel. If you have any specific devices that you want me to review, let me know and I'll be more than happy to do that. Thank you. Have a nice day.